Maayong adlaw! As a mother raising a child in a fast-paced digital world and living abroad, I noticed how easy it is for our native language to take a back seat. I created Batang Bisaya out of a desire to keep the Bisaya language alive in our home and to give my son a sense of identity and connection to his roots through the magic of storytelling. This podcast serves as a gentle, screen free resource for families. By using slow, clear Bisaya and relatable stories, we help children build their vocabulary. From simple everyday objects to more complex descriptive words, while fostering a love for our culture. It's the perfect companion for car rides, breakfast, or winding down before bedtime. I invite you to join our growing community of families. Let's make language learning a joyful, shared experience for you and your child. Listen to Batang Bisaya on Spotify and YouTube and start your storytelling journey with me today. Salamat sa pagpaminaw ug pagsuporta.